Hey guys, Lucas here. This is the Hinge Repair Kit from FastCap. So often on cabinet doors, we have these standard style hinges that go into a hinge cup. And whether it was, your kid climbing on them or, maybe you want to blame it on the dog, I don't know. Sometimes these fail. They pull out, the screws pull out, and you end up with something that looks a little something like this. And you don't want to make a whole new cabinet door. We have the solution for you. It's the Hinge Repair Kit. So you can actually do the whole repair right in your kitchen. It's just that easy. You're going to need two things. One, maybe a mallet, and that's mostly if your hinge gets really bent as it tears out, just to hammer it back to flat. And then two is a screwdriver, Phillips head. And then all you're going to have to do, you're going to put your hinge back where it should be, hammer it down flat if you need to, and then you're going to take our Hinge Repair Kit, peel off the two peel and stick backers, and you're going to place it down. Make sure that you go around the back side, not the way that the hinge opens, and stick it down on there, and then you're just going to install the 5 screws. You're going your way around, tightening them down. It's going to push down on that hinge, hold it in. Once you got those 5 screws in, it's good as new. It's going to hold for years more. No struggle, no new door. Hinge Repair from FastCap. Get yours today. You're going to love this product.